Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Python developers might encounter when working with virtual environments. The problem arises when the interpreter seems to search for packages in the system-wide location before checking the virtual environment. Quite frustrating, right? Now, let's discuss the solution to this issue. The paths before the venv site directory are primarily for standard library imports, not for searching external packages. So, even though it may appear that the interpreter is looking in the system-wide location first, it's actually prioritizing the standard library modules. When you activate your virtual environment, rest assured that it's indeed searching for packages within the virtual environment directory. In summary, despite the initial confusion, the Python interpreter is designed to search for standard library modules before external packages, even within a virtual environment. So next time you encounter this issue, remember that it's simply following the standard search hierarchy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Python pun.